You ever wondered what's inside your M12 Fuel impact driver? 1/4-inch impact? Well, let me share with you. Well, what happened? Chris, what happened to this drill?
It was left in the rain after a job.
How long was it in the rain for?
Probably, honestly, overnight, 2 days. We went back the next day to the customer's house and we found it on top of the condenser. And
Boy.
And we left it
And
there.
it had been raining?
It had been rained on, and we just saw the rust on it. We knew it was done.
I'm shocked at what is inside this drill. I mean, look at the circuit board. I mean, look at all these chips on here. Looks like it's got a little microprocessor here. So this is where the battery goes. Battery connected here. And you know what? One of the reasons why these are so powerful, these drills, Chris?
Yeah.
Look how hard this is to pull out. This is a magnet.
What's that magnet for?
This is a permanent magnet motor. So when you pull the trigger, you're inducing a DC field across this magnet.
Mm-hmm.
And that's why it's so strong, has so much torque. And it's also so controllable. By feathering this throttle, you're feathering the voltage that's going in. I mean, I could be misspeaking. I mean, this could have some technology where I mean, look at all the leads that go into the motor.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that looks nice.
So, what is this?
Never seen that before.
This is, it says, I guess 22. I don't know if that means it's from the year 22. But here's a bearing. But yeah, this is definitely a powerful magnet, man. Let's see this thing. That's not metal. That thing is really strong. Let's try something like this. I mean, that is like, pull it off. Ain't it? That's a powerful magnet right there.
It is. In the drill.
Anyway.
It's $150 right there.
Rest in peace.
$150.
Rest in peace.